Homesteading can offer a number of benefits, both practical and personal, that make it an attractive lifestyle choice for many people. Here are a few reasons why you might consider homesteading. Self-sufficiency. Homesteading allows you to become more self-sufficient by producing your own food, generating your own energy, and managing your own water resources. This can help you save money on groceries and utilities, and reduce your dependence on outside sources for basic necessities. Health and wellness. Homesteading often involves physical labor such as gardening, animal care, and building maintenance, which can improve your overall health and fitness. Eating fresh, homegrown produce and pasture-raised meats can also improve your nutrition and overall wellness. Connection to nature. Homesteading provides an opportunity to connect with nature and develop a deeper appreciation for the environment. By working closely with the land, you can develop a greater understanding of the natural cycles and rhythms that govern our planet. Sustainability. Homesteading promotes sustainable living practices such as composting, recycling, and conserving resources. By living in harmony with the natural environment, homesteaders can help reduce their impact on the planet and promote a more sustainable way of life. Community building. Homesteading can foster a sense of community by bringing together like-minded individuals who share a common interest in self-sufficiency, sustainability, and a simpler way of life. Many homesteaders participate in local farmers markets, trade goods and services with their neighbors, and collaborate on projects to build a stronger sense of community. Overall, homesteading can offer a sense of purpose, independence, and fulfillment that may be difficult to find in a more conventional lifestyle. While homesteading is not for everyone, it can be a rewarding and meaningful way of life for those who are willing to put in the time and effort required to succeed.